Hello guys, welcome to Rehan. Today we'll learn something new, that is how we can use online Jupyter Notebook in Android as well as PC also. So guys, this is an informative video. You can also use Pydroid, Python as well as Termux also to use Jupyter Notebook, but they require larger space, and I think that is not much efficient in if you are using low storage device. So in this video I will be explain you guys how you can use online Jupyter without any installing machine learning libraries in your phone. So guys, keep watching where I will be showing you guys. So guys, first of all, what you have to do, you have to do guys, to open a default Chrome browser. You can use another browser also, but here I will show you through an Chrome browser. So first of all, you guys, what you have to do, you have to search HTTPS, that means Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Jupyter.org. That is the official site of the Jupyter Notebook. You have to simply go to that site. So sorry guys, it's taking long time, I think. So guys, we have reached the Jupyter Notebook site, and what we have to do, we have to scroll lower. So guys, here we got an option here, try it in your browser or install Jupyter Lab. So guys, we are not installing Jupyter Notebook, and we are using only in the browser. So you have to select first one. So guys, we have selected the first option, that was try it in your browser or with your browser. So here we guys can get some options here. Try classic notebook, try Jupyter Lab, try Jupyter, many more options, but we will doing in the classic notebook. So you have to go to it. So here we guys, we have entered in the site called my Blender, and this is not much complicated site, but you don't have to fear about this site guys. This is simply collecting repositories which are required for the Jupyter Notebook. So guys, it will take some time to load. So guys, I think it have been loaded successfully. Yeah guys, we have been loaded successfully. And here we can see some of the options which so we type plus you type on the plus icon. So here we are not able to see this cell, so we will switch to the request desktop site and reload the website. So here we have guys switched to the desktop site, and here our blender reloads again, and so guys, it's taking some time, but if you are in good network area, then it will be faster than me guys. And here guys, it have been loaded, I think. So guys, we have been successfully reloaded to the Jupyter Notebook site, and here we can see some of the toolbar icons: run, code, file, edit, view, insert. Here, sorry guys, I'm suffering from low net. So here we can see some of the toolbar icons. So we have to just press on the plus icon, that is for the cells. Basically this is an interpreter, guys, where we can write the code and see output in that see that output interactively. So guys, here we do something. So here we guys do some basic coding here. So I will write a NUMPY program here. So first of all, I have to import NUMPY. Import NUMPY as NP. So to run this cell, what we have to do, we have to press the run icon. We can also press Shift plus enter, or we can Shift plus. You can also press Shift Control plus enter, guys. But here it's very complicated. We have to switch to another keyboard which have Shift button or control button. We can also use a hacker's keyboard, which will be very efficient for the programming. So here guys, I have imported NUMPY. So here I will create a variable and assigns np dot arrange 0,9 receive 3,3. So guys, we have created an variable which will be assigned as numpy dot arrange 0 to 9. Basically an arrange is a function of, basically guys, arrange is a function of numpy which is defined in numpy library. What we will do, we will just we will run this cell. Okay, we got an error here. We have written rehab, but there is no function called rehab. So then we will modify it to the receive. So guys, we will run again it, and it has been initialized as an array. So what we will do, guys, we will call the variable a, then we will run it. Okay guys, here array is created here. So guys, you can see how we can create an array in online Jupyter. We can also print the variable called a. So what we have to do, we have to just write print command and pass the a, and how we can run this, we have to just press on the run button, and it have been run. And basically it comes with preloaded libraries, that was NumPy, SciPy, Python. So guys, I will show you how we can check the pre-install libraries here. We have to just write code pip list. It will list all the install libraries. Okay guys, I will run this. It will just go to the run button. So here guys, we can see these are the installed libraries. Pillow guys, Pillow, PyCurl, many scikit-learn, SkiPy, some many more. You can check it by own. Python. So guys, it will be a good practice for data analysis and the machine learning. So here we guys, so how we can use online Jupyter Notebook, and here we can see an option memory. This is an memory guys. This is a kind of RAM which is allocated in a server's RAM. We don't have to consume our RAM. It automatically allocates the RAM in the server. So guys, here we have see how we can use online Jupyter. So guys, if you like the video, do share and comment, and subscribe the channel, sorry. And if you guys want more videos about that topic, you can comment me directly, and surely guys, I will make a video for you in that topic, in that respective topics.